self-centered attitude is what will be prominently seen for all Taurus men and women in the coming 18 months. Rahu transiting in your ascendant sign Taurus or your moon sign Taurus will make you more and more self-centered and obsessed with yourself. Take care of your health. In the coming days, you will be living in many illusions. You may think a lot and you may also feel cheated because you would simply fall for appearances and miss to realize the true face behind those appearances. Don't judge someone based on appearance. Looks can be deceiving. When people rely on surface appearances and false racial stereotypes rather than in depth knowledge of others at the level of the heart, mind, and spirit, their ability to assess and understand people accurately is compromised. If you are in a love relationship or a married person, you need to focus on your partner. During these 18 months, your partner may feel that you don't pay much attention to his or her needs. Also, you have to focus on being sexually active if you are married, as a disinterest in sex is a strong possibility that can turn off your partner. So, take the necessary steps to remain sexually active so that you can satisfy your partner. Always remember, the sexual fulfillment of woman is vital for harmony in love relationships, in the family, and for the well-being of society as a whole. Taurus men and women are always in search of pleasures and pleasurable experiences. But the coming time is going to be challenging when it comes to experiencing sexual pleasures. So set your expectations accordingly. Relationships will be at stake. There is a possibility of losing your partner through a breakup. So be careful of maintaining your relationship in all possible ways. When you are in a relationship, surrender not to the person you love, but to the love that is between you and your partner. And learn to accept your partner in totality. Always remember, if you love a person, you accept the total person with all the defects, because those defects are a part of the person. Never try to change a person you love, because the very effort to change says that you love half and the other half of the person is not accepted. When you love, you simply love. Jupiter Saturn transit from the ninth house is going to make you more philosophical. You will read many books of wisdom and try to learn new subjects related to spirituality. You will also take interest in meditations, and if you are already doing meditations, then this is a wonderful period for you to grow and progress in your meditations. During the second quarter of the next year, you may also set on pilgrimage and visit many temples and shrines at faraway places. You will also take interest in performing certain rituals at your home. All of these positive activities will bring a certain level of confidence within you. And it is confidence that eventually brings success. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can possess. It is confidence in our bodies, minds, and spirits that allows us to keep looking for new adventures. The coming 12 months will definitely boost your confidence level, although from the mind perspective, you will remain restless and worried. The solution to overcome this restlessness of mind is by relaxing. Learn to relax in between your work schedules and tame your mind to relax. Inner silence and inner peace are the fruit of total relaxation. Visit Lord Ganesha temple every Wednesday and meditate for minimum 30 minutes by reciting the holy Ganesha mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. 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 And finally, all these 18 months are going to be the months of great learning, and through this learning, you will evolve into a new person, a much matured person. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.